everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Highland Ridge Olympia Sport Model 19BH. Right off the bat, you can tell that this is a small travel trail. Entry level, perfect for beginners. Tip-to-tip length is about 22 feet 4 inches. And even though this is entry level, they're still giving you a lot of the higher end features like a power tongue jack. This unit's super lightweight. It is single axle and there's no slide outs on it. What I do love is there is an awning that goes the whole length of this entire travel trailer, which is fantastic. And because this is Highland Ridge, they do give you a 3-year structural warranty. Entering the Olympia Sport, small travel trailer, but again, it's so amazing to think that it's so small with no slide outs. It still feels huge and spacious. Right up here, we do have a nice queen size bed. A TV comes standard in this. A lot of times in this price point and category, you're not getting that. Tons of storage all the way around. And then we do have a very, very nice kitchen area. Big sink, nice cooktop, microwave, and again, a ton of storage with a huge refrigerator right here. Right over here's a dinette, and it does drop down to make a bed. Very comfortable. I like the windows. And then you have not one, but 2 bunk beds. Very good. I believe 5'10" can fit in here. And so it really is spacious and nice. And then to wrap it all up is this bathroom. Again, when you're looking at the shower, it's a shower tub, which they're all doing, but the head height in this travel trailer is absolutely amazing. And you have a toilet right here. It's in a good position. My cameraman Will is 6'3".
Plenty of head height. Plenty
of head height, which again is very unique for this size travel trailer. And to wrap it all up, again, just showcasing, we could spend all the time in the world showcasing all this storage. But that's it, and that's 2 minutes. If you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews, Towables, or if you're already ready to buy it, perfect. Fill out the contact form down below, and one of our travel trailer specialists will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal deal. Thanks guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.